Happy Saturday, our favorite day of the week. I love Saturdays, especially Saturday mornings. We're making some more of those old country omelets that we made. I'm cooking the bacon separate this time though. We're just gonna have the bacon on the side. So I'm chopping up some peppers. Oh, there it is. Got my knife over there. I'm just chopping up these peppers. I think last time I didn't put the peppers in them. This time we're just gonna put the peppers, and I'm gonna skip the onion. So I'll put some butter in that pan over there, and we'll cook these peppers a little bit, and then we'll pour in the eggs, and I'll shred some cheese. It's pretty much like a regular omelet. You just mix everything together in there. Last time we had the bacon in there too, but I'm just going to leave it on the side this time. Oh, there's nothing like the smell of that Wright brand bacon on a Saturday morning. Smells like you're at the mountains. I don't know why that bacon reminds us of being. I know that a lot of places in the mountains use that Wright brand bacon, and places around here too, around the little mountains. They even have on their menus sometimes that they use that kind to let you know that's the kind they use. How's it smelling over there, Jonah? Good. Okay, we'll put our peppers over here. Get the bacon again. I also have this little bit of egg whites that we're going to use our egg mixture. We'll go ahead and... No, I'm just mixing it up. Yeah, I'm just mixing it. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of salt in here. Go ahead and turn that on a little bit below medium, let that butter start melting. Yeah, that's the way they made it. That's the reason they didn't like that one. Jonah was talking about the handle on this mug being upside down. Titus picked this one because it was upside down. He said his fingers fit in it better, it being that way instead of the other way. I mean, I'm assuming they meant to do it. We've been seeing some now that don't even have handles at all. Like, it's just a little, if I remember right, there's just like a little indentation where you can put your thumb instead of a handle. I think I've shown them to y'all before in some of those stores. Next time I see one, I'll show it to you. Go ahead and put our peppers in here. Okay, and I'm going to slice up some of our quick casserole bread that we made the other day, and we'll make some toast with that. Check those beauties out. Titus got them at his last farm yesterday. I haven't seen them around here yet, but he said they were already there. I'm not sure where he was, but they're so pretty. Just pour those in. And I think I'll wait and put the cheese on top when the eggs get almost done. We'll go ahead and put a little bit, but we'll sprinkle the rest on top when they get done. So I've got this on medium-low now. We'll just put a top on it and let those eggs cook. And I'll slice up the bread for the toast.
Mom, what kind of bacon you got here, baby?
Right, Brandon.
And what is this right here?
It's the Old Country Store omelet. Oh, you had already left for work that morning, I think, when I made it. It's an omelet, but it's called the Old Country Store from that general store cookbook.
Oh, yeah.
Can you check that toast for me?
Not quite.
Okay.
Let's put some jelly on this.
You want some red pepper flakes on top of your eggs?
Yeah. We got something to share with y'all. This is gonna take you by surprise. Everybody out there probably knows that we go to the Goodwill, you know, several times a year. I usually find some really good stuff there. I mean,
some stuff brand new.
I mean, I'm wearing a Goodwill shirt right now. Look at this shirt. I mean, Western store, this right here would have been $60, you know?
Yeah.
Something like
$6 and something.
$6. But I have had a few unusual experiences lately.
We check them over really good most of the time.
I try to, but
We've had 2 times where we were not on our A game.
I wasn't on my A game. And I tried to, I was on the C game at that last deal, and
No, the last deal we completely failed.
I failed that deal.
We completely failed the last one. The first one was C. That was maybe like a C+.
Yeah. It's Sunday morning.
We're wearing our Goodwill finds from
Goodwill
yesterday.
treasures, baby. Woo! We don't want to show off.
I think this dress.
We don't want to show off these Goodwill treasures, but we had to wear them. How much was that dress?
I think $7.
$7.
$7.24 or something like that.
We didn't need no Kohl's cash to get no discount. Somebody else put it on, took the value down, and she's got it on now.
I think
Me?
Tyler's wearing one of his this morning, is he?
Somebody wrote on mine.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, I didn't even see. I did not see that.
It says
No.
something.
Only sale.
Something only, and then sale.
Little surprises you get at Goodwill. When we got up there to pay, I was like, what, like that right there, and old boy just grabbed it and scanned it, and I didn't, I was like,
You can roll them up. Y'all can roll them up.
Let's find it, because I was like, wait.
Y'all, we didn't notice it until we got up there.
I got up there and I was like,
The whole bottom
like
of
that
the
right there, and old boy
sleeve
he just snatched, fell and found some good deals. Like you say though, if I take that thing, you see, all I gotta do is roll it up. If I roll it up a little bit, nobody will never know.
Yeah, just roll it up.
But
Just cut the other one off and make it match.
Yeah. Somebody didn't know if they wanted a short sleeve or a long sleeve. They only wanted it on one side.
I don't know what happened there.
Oh, I know what could have happened.
Like back in the 90s when people used to have one britchy leg rolled up and one down, they were trying to start a new trend.
Somebody had to go to the bathroom. He got to buy and didn't have no tissue. Folks, this was not going to work for me either way. It's a little bit too small, but I'm thinking I do like this. I'm thinking I'm actually going to do my own design and have my own mark, I mean, everybody's doing something different today. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
The cuffless brand.
Leave the button. Well, the button used to be there. Well, there it is. There's one still.
Yeah.
Just leave it. Leave it. You know what I'm saying? Be like, hey, y'all doing all right?
Yeah.
Long sleeve, half sleeve. I'm in between seasons right now in my life. We transferring over. The groundhog's trying to peep out. Don't know if he wants his sunglasses or not. That's really not like, you know what I'm saying? Might be snow, might not. I love the shirts, but I have had some unusual experiences lately. We back, y'all. Dollar Tree bringing it to you right here.
I gotta get some stuff for Sunday school in the morning, and we're gonna see what's going on because I'm sure they put away the Valentine's Day stuff now. Or a buggy. You wanna do basket or buggy?
Basket.
Okay.
So like I'm hunting Easter eggs.
Okay. Oh look, it's an egg-shaped container. No.
Egg shape.
Cute. Oh, it comes with 2 of them. There's a little one inside there.
Need it?
No, I don't need
Little
that.
egg salad?
Pretty towels, and we've told y'all about these. Pretty to look at, but they're just for decoration. Don't try to use those. Some cute signs over here. Look at that one, Cottontail Carrot Farm. Oh look, strawberry smoothie cowtails. Fruity Pebbles jelly beans.
They're always gonna make these. They've been making these since.
Oh, does anybody eat them?
I don't know, but I just know we always didn't like them whenever I was a
Right,
kid.
we never did either.
Does anybody like these?
Now, if it's the ones with peanut butter, I will do that.
Yeah,
I will do it if it's the ones with peanut
I
butter in them.
remember the ones that look like coins.
Yeah,
And I didn't ever like
That's that same deal, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See, these have peanut butter in them. I'll go there. I'll go with the peanut butter one. Lip balm, that might swell your lips up.
My sister put on some kind of chapstick.
Oh yeah, that was
whenever-
bad.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Was we first married?
Yeah, it was a bunch of different kinds. Like she was putting on a bunch of different kinds, and
then
yeah.
We woke up the next morning and her lips had an allergic reaction to that.
Mm-hmm.
So if anybody's out there wanting to do like those lip injections, don't do that. Just mix a whole bunch of cheap chapstick together.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You'll wake up triple the size.
Okay, let's go down this side. I gotta get a marker board for the Sunday school classroom. They got a little one right
There it is
there.
right here, baby. Dry erase board.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to get that little one. I was thinking they might have a bigger one, but we can get that one. That's fine. These are cute. Look at that one. How much are they? $5? I would think that would be $3, but it's $5. 4-foot inflatable Pete, $5.
Butter on gums. Oh.
Butter?
Butter on gums.
Butter on gums?
That's what it says.
Yeah, I'm gonna try butter on gums. Do they got any pink butter on gums? They got a purple one right there. Y'all, the other day I accidentally used his tooth.
She did. Not that I cared. I didn't care about it. I mean, that ain't reason I'm buying a new one. That's not.
Jonah and the whale. I don't think
That's
so.
a different looking deal, like you wanted to do a cake with water or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I like
Put
using
the
that.
Pillsbury dope boy on a surfboard.
Yeah, I like doing the gel to make the gel water, you know.
Somebody's dream just came true right here.
Oh, they made bite
The
size.
bite size. What? And the what?
Jonah likes these.
I do too.
It's Sunday morning, y'all. I'm making the lasagna so that when we get home, this lasagna will be done cooking. And I set the oven for a delay time to start at 350. I set it to start at 11:15, and everybody is stressing out. They come walking in here and they're like, oh, it's 11:15. Sissy was like, we're supposed to be at church. We actually have about an hour before we have to leave. So I've got almost a pound of ground beef in there and a pound of Italian sausage. That's good. For the cottage cheese layer, we're just gonna put in, I'm gonna do a tub and a half of this cottage cheese, so it's 24 ounces. Okay, now you can put down a layer of noodles.
What about when they don't reach the side correct?
It's okay, you can, if you need to break it to make it fit, you can break one, or it don't have to go completely, you know. Just a good layer.
This little gap right here is fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna put in 2 eggs. I'm just gonna beat them a little bit here before we pour them in.
Is this okay?
Yes, that's fine. All right, we're gonna put in a little bit of garlic powder. I'm just gonna eyeball this, about half a teaspoon in the cottage cheese mixture, and some Italian seasoning, about a tablespoon of that, or half a tablespoon. And we'll put in some mozzarella cheese. We already have some shredded mozzarella here. This is on sale at Ingles. We'll put in about a cup. There you go.
Taking his guitar to church, everybody.
Let's go see if we've got lasagna cooking, Meanie. I didn't have any aluminum foil, so we put the extra pan that the pack of pans came with on top, and yes, we have lasagna. We'll let it brown on top while I get the garlic bread ready.
Time to be picking